As seasons changed, the friendship between the lion and the mouse grew stronger. They shared stories, played games, and helped each other in times of need. One day, a fierce storm hit the jungle, causing chaos and distress among the animals. We must do something to help our friends and protect the jungle. I have an idea. We can work together to build a shelter for everyone. With teamwork and determination, the lion and the mouse built a sturdy shelter, providing safety for all the jungle inhabitants. Their selfless act inspired others to come together, fostering unity and harmony in the jungle.